P02 360 degrees rotation gimbal stabilizer, your ultimate desktop companion for TikTok, live streaming, and selfies. The P02 360 degrees rotation gimbal stabilizer is a compact and versatile tool designed to take your smartphone content creation to the next level. Perfect for TikTok enthusiasts, live streamers, and selfie lovers, this gimbal offers smooth 360 degrees rotation, advanced face tracking, and a convenient remote shutter for effortless control. Whether you're recording videos, hosting live sessions, or capturing stunning selfies, the P02 ensures professional quality results with minimal setup. Key features: 360 degrees rotation. Enjoy seamless, smooth rotation for dynamic and creative shots, making your videos stand out on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Face tracking technology. The built-in follow-up selfie and face tracking feature automatically locks onto your face, keeping you in focus even as you move. Perfect for hands-free recording and live streaming. Remote shutter. The included remote shutter allows you to start, stop recording, or take photos without touching your phone, giving you full control over your content. Desktop design. Compact and lightweight, the P02 is designed for desktop use, making it ideal for live streaming, video calls, and stationary filming. Universal compatibility. Works with most smartphones, ensuring a wide range of users can enjoy its features. Specifications: rotation, 360 degrees smooth rotation. Tracking, face tracking and follow-up selfie mode. Remote shutter, wireless control for recording and capturing photos. Compatibility, fits most smartphones. Design, compact, lightweight, and portable. What's included? 1 P02 Gimbal Stabilizer, 1 remote shutter, 1 user manual. Why choose the P02 Gimbal Stabilizer? The P02 Gimbal Stabilizer is the perfect blend of innovation and convenience. Its 360 degrees rotation and face tracking capabilities make it a must-have for content creators who want to add a professional touch to their videos and live streams. The remote shutter adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to focus on your performance without worrying about your phone. Whether you're a TikTok star, a live streamer, or someone who loves capturing high-quality selfies, the P02 Gimbal Stabilizer is your go-to tool for creating engaging and polished content. Elevate your creativity with the P02, where simplicity meets functionality.